झंडे वंडे नहीं है ना, गलत है।
राधे राधे
राधे राधे
राधे राधे रानी की जय, बरसाने वाले की जय। राधे राधे। So we are in Radharani Mandir. So this temple is also known as Sri Ji Mandir, or the old name, the original name is Ladli Lal Mandir, or Lali Lal Mandir. Lali means small girl and Lala means small boy. So basically this is the temple of small Raja and Krishna. So in Braj they call the little girls as Lali and the little boys as Lala. Hey, so this spot where we are sitting right now is the kingdom of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. So Vrishabhanu Maharaj is the father of Radharani. And who is the mother? Kirtida, Mother Kirtida. So Vrishabhanu and Kirtida. So this is their palace. So it means this is the home of Srimati Radharani. So in this place is the eternal place of Srimati Radharani. This is her eternal home, eternal playground, and also all pastimes, all the Madhurya Leela Ras, Madhurya Riyas, all the Madhurya Rasa Leela takes place here in Barshana. So this Barshana is saturated and filled with Madhurya Ras, full of loving relationship, exchange, loving relationship between Radha and Krishna, between the gopis and Krishna. So this is the most famous temple in Barshana and maybe in whole Braj. Everyone will come here. Some pilgrims, they will come here, but they will not come to Nandagaon. So this is their priority. So most of the pilgrims, they would rather just stay here or visit Barshana, then they just left others behind. Because this is the most famous temple, especially during Holi. In Holi, thousands of people come here to play color. And this is filled with so many colors. So many people will come here from different parts of the world. This is the famous place for Holi festival. So, we just had darshan of the main altar. That is Ladinal on the main altar. And it was established by Vajranab. So Vajranab is the great grandson of Krishna. Okay? So he established this murti, and somehow during the course of time it was gone, no? So nobody knew where it was, all these deities and murtis. Then one time there is one Goswami, associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Narayan Bhatt Goswami. So Narayan Bhatt Goswami came here and he found out that murti again. So it's around 500 years ago. So again he established the worship of that murti. So that murti is 1,000 years old. So in Barshana, Radharani will always play here. They will always have loving exchanges with Krishna. Some pranks, some laughing and jokes. So every pastimes of Radha and Krishna mostly happens in Barshana. And also some in Nandagaon. So you can see we just came from Nandagaon. From here it's only 7 kilometers. So Krishna in Nandagaon, Radharani in Barshana. And their in-laws in where? Yavat, Abhimanyu, Radharani in-laws, Jatila and Kutila. So they are just nearby to each other. So from Barshana, Radharani, she would walk down to Nandagaon in order to look for Krishna. Remember, no? From yesterday. Then sometimes Krishna will come here. But most of the time, Radharani, they always go outside. They are pretending to sell yogurt, butter, milk. But Radharani and Gopis, they are the daughters of the king. So why they have to sell something? So it's only an excuse. They are just making an excuse. So they could meet Krishna somewhere. They're always hoping that Krishna will play tricks with them. That Krishna will cross their path. So Radharani, she is always eager to meet Krishna. And same thing with Krishna. He is always eager to meet Radharani. Actually, there is one place in between Barchana and Nandagaon. They call it Sanket. So that is like a midway. Sanket means like a sign. You know Morse code before? From a light they can make a message. So same thing with Radha and Krishna. Sometimes when Krishna is on the midway, he will make some message from the light, like from a candle. So Radharani will see that candle from the distance or some light. Then Krishna will make some message, some code, and Radharani can understand what it means. So Radharani will sneak in order to meet Krishna. And same thing when Radharani comes ahead in the midway, Radharani will also make sign. So Krishna will see by the top of Nandagaon that there is some code over there. And Krishna knew that it was Radharani. So again, they will have to sneak in order to see each other. So there are so many pastimes that took place here. This is where Durvasa Muni visited. When Durvasa Muni went to Braj, so he came here in Barchana. When Durvasa Muni arrived, all the girls, the small girls, the ladies, they ran away because they are afraid of Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni, because he is like very easy to get angry. They don't want to be cursed. That's why. Oh, the Baba come. But Radharani, what she did, she just stayed. And she served Durvasa Muni. So for a week or so, she is attending the needs of Durvasa Muni. Sometimes Durvasa Muni, he will wake up in the middle of the night and he will ask for something to eat. Then Radharani would peacefully serve whatever Durvasa Muni desired. So in this way, Radharani, she pleased Durvasa Muni. So Durvasa Muni was very pleased with Radharani's service. So Durvasa Muni gave her a boon, a blessing. Durvasa Muni said or told to Radharani that I will give you a blessing or a boon that you will become an expert cook. You will cook a certain meal, but you won't repeat it again. That's how expert you are. And whoever tastes the food that you cook, they will have long life, healthy life, and they will also prosper and become auspicious. So whatever you cook, it will taste nectarian. So that is the boon Radharani got from Durvasa Muni. And that is why Mother Yashoda requested Radharani to cook for Krishna every day. But one day, they don't allow. No? So this pastime took place in Yabat. So we will share it in Yabat. You know, the in-laws, they are always like Kontrovida. They are trying to block or make some obstacles or difficulties between the meeting of Radha and Krishna. So we are now sitting on it's like on the head of Lord Brahma. Remember I told you, Nandagaon is Lord Shiva and Barchana is Lord Brahma. Actually Barchana, it has 4 heads, representing the 4 heads of Brahma. So we are sitting on one of the heads of Brahma. So this Barchana Dham is the heel incarnation of Lord Brahma. Because Lord Brahma, he wanted to witness the most sweetest pastime of Radha and Krishna. So that's why he performed a tapasya. And Krishna was so pleased with him So Krishna granted him the blessings that he will become Varshanadam. So you can witness the childhood pastimes of Srimati Radharani and Krishna. Okay? Jai Jai Shri Radhe! So that's the story of this mandir. What is the name of the mandir? Ladli Lal Mandir or Radharani Mandir, and the other one is Sriji
Lali
Mandir.
Mandir.
Ladli Lal. Sriji Mandir or Radharani Mandir. Okay? Barshana Wale ki Jai.
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. Hello? Let's proceed to the next temple. That is the next temple. They call it Jaipur temple. What is this Radharani temple? Kushal Bihari. The name of the temple Kushal Bihari. It was built by Man Singh, king of Jaipur. Because this Man Singh is very devoted to Radharani. From Jaipur, he will always come here together with his full entourage of his minister, assistants, and whole family. So what they did, in order for them, so to become their visit to become easy, they built a railway exclusively from Jaipur up to Barshana. Then they built that temple. You know, in the
So we are passing the railway.
there was an old railway where they transported all the materials from Jaipur. That's why the construction and materials they used on that mandir, it all came from Jaipur. So locally it was known as Jaipur Mandir because it was built by Jaipur king. But the name of that temple is Kushal Bihari Mandir. Okay, so let's proceed to the temple and take darshan, and we will continue a little further. There is one small temple. They call it the Mor Kutir. Mor Kutir. Mor means peacock. That is the place where the dancing of Radha Krishna like a peacock took place. And there's another one further. It's called the Man Mandir. Man means transcendental angel. Remember, I shared to you when Radharani, when she is in sulky mood, she will come there at the top of that mountain, and she will stay inside the cave, and she will not talk to Krishna. So that pastime took place there. So we will visit all these Leela style. When we say Leela style, pastime places. Okay? Bolo Radha Rani ki Jai. Barshana Wale ki Jai. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe bolo. Let's go. Kirtan ho gaya. Kata. Kirtan. Kirtan. Radhe Radhe.
But I don't have that money.
Kartal hai. Oh, Sri Radharani Majai. Radhe Radhe Wale.
May kartal ba?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Where?
Philippines.
Philippines. Dale.
Chalo.